What's that sound? Is that a cow? Yes, it is a cow, but where is she hiding? Look there, behind the tree. This is a cow. Cow says moo, moo. Yes, look, this is a cow. Say it again. Cow. Very good. Cow. Listen, what's that sound? Is that a sheep? But where is she hiding? Hey! There she is behind the haystack. This is a sheep. Sheep says ba ba. Sheep. Listen, what's that sound? Is that a horse? But where? Is he hiding? Yes, he's hiding, near the barn. This is a horse. Horse says, neigh, neigh. Horse. Listen carefully. What's that sound? Is that a hen? But where is she? Hiding. Yes, there she is behind the bush. This is a hen. Hen says, cluck, cluck. Hen. Now, who's making that sound? Is that a duck? But where is she? Can you find her? Yes, you did it. She is hiding behind the tractor. This is a duck. Duck says quack, quack. Duck. Listen closely. What's that? Is that a goat? Can you tell me, where is she hiding? You say it right. There she is, behind the fence. This is a goat. Goat says ma-a-ma. Goat. Very good. Little learners, you did a great job. We have found all the animals. Let's say them again. Let's go. Cow says, moo, moo. Sheep says, ba, ba. Horse says, neigh, neigh. Chicken says, cluck, cluck. Duck says, quack, quack. Goat says, ma, ma.